Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekly check-in. Now this is week 3 in September and that is going to run from the 19th through the 25th. Now before we get started, make sure you subscribe down below. Let me know if you have a channel because I would love to go and support your channel, get to know you a little bit better, and just watch your content. Really, I just want to watch y'all grow and support y'all in any way possible. All right, you guys, so this week has been really rough for me. I had to go to an orthopedic doctor, and we'll get into that a little bit later, but yeah, it's just been rough for me. I've been defeated. I was just not in a good mood this whole week, but I'm using my little cheat sheet that I have, and it has all the color coded and the categories that I use. Also, we are going to be using Simply Cammie's stickers, budget stickers, no spin stickers. Absolutely love her. Her stuff will be down below also. All right, so on the 19th, we did a no spin. Now, I do have 3 no spin days, which it's better than no spin days. So on the 19th, we had no spin. Now on Friday, on the 20th, was a payday, but I was working late. I had to work the night shift, so that was a no spin day also. This is going to be all jumbled up and stuff. I don't like it. It's fine. All right, so on the 21st, let me zoom in just a little bit for you guys. So on the 21st, we went grocery shopping like always. And we went to Walmart, and that was $23. If you've seen my grocery haul, you can tell that we did not spend a lot on groceries this week. All right, then we went to Ulta because I really wanted this eyeliner that was at Ulta that was on sale. It was the Urban Decay. It was like $14 or something like that. But I spent $25 of my fun money, which, I mean, it's my fun money, so I can spend it however I want. And buying makeup is fun to me, so I'm not going to be complaining. All right, and then I also have another fun money, and that was Starbucks. I treated everybody that was with me at work that night. We went to I went to Starbucks and I just brought it to work. But that was $15. So I bought something for me because I really needed the energy. And then I bought something for my coworker also. So that was $15. All right, moving right along to the 22nd. I bought a baby shower gift from one of the nurses at work. She's having twins, you guys. Twins. That's crazy. And it's twin girls. So I bought this 40-pack of bows that she had on her registry. 40 of them. It's a 40-piece. And it was crazy. I just got it in the mail and I wrapped it and everything already. So should have showed y'all before I did that. But I'm sorry. Don't shoot me. So that is everything that I spent on the 22nd. And I literally bought this at like 3 in the morning, you guys. Because I was just at work and I was going to look around and everything. And I found those. So that's what happens when you work night shift. You buy stuff. Use your debit card for stuff. All right. On the 23rd, which was Monday. Which technically it was like 3 o'clock in the morning on Sunday morning, which was going into Monday, but you get it, right? You get it. All right, so on Fun Money, I bought my coworker some food upstairs because she forgot her debit card. So I spent $10. And that wasn't on Fun Money. Oh, I messed up, you guys. It was actually our out to eat. I can reuse this. I don't care. Where's our out to eat? This is our out to eat. Let's see. I'll say co-worker. $10. she didn't have any food. So, you know, I used my $10 and got her some food. Alright, and then you guys, so story time real quick. Monday, when I got home at 7 in the morning, I went to sleep for 2 hours because I had to work the next day on Tuesday. So I woke up, my knee was swollen, it was burning, and it was really soft to the touch. And it felt like I had fluid in my knee. It really did. So I made an appointment, but they can only get me on the 24th on Tuesday. So I texted like one of my coworkers that knows the doctor that I was going to go see really well. And he told me that he could get me in on the 23rd, and found out that I have a torn ligament, or not torn ligament, torn tendon. So I'm on medication. I have to get physical therapy for 4 weeks. So I don't know how much that's going to be. So I literally depleted all of my medical funds in my sinking fund. So that is how my work was. So for doctors, I had to spend $30. All of it that was in my medical went to copay, and I had to get some medicine for inflammatory and everything. And plus, I did not have enough money, so I had to use the rest of, or I had to dip into my cushion fund. So that was $30. So I had to use my debit card to pay for the rest. So that was $30. And then my sinking funds, I used all of it, which was $30. So that was my Monday, you guys. It was not very well, and I am hopefully will get better so I don't have to have surgery or anything, but yeah. Alright, so on the 24th, I did a little shopping and everything, like after work. And I found this really cute jewelry, like pairs of earrings that my mom would absolutely love. So I went into my Christmas fund, and I spent $97 on these earrings. It was like two sets for $97. So that wasn't bad, and that's going to be for Christmas for her. Then I had to get gas, which was $20 because I was on empty. And I was on call, so I really needed to get gas. Alright. There's like a gnat somewhere here that keeps on bugging me. Alright, and then on the 25th, when I am filming this, this was a no spend day. Alright, I'm going to zoom you guys out. Alright, you guys, so that is everything that we spent and didn't spend each day. So we had 3 no spends. We had some groceries, we had fun money, we went into our sinking funds, we got gas as usual, you guys. So that is what that is. And then now let's go to our check-in. Alright, you guys, so for the check-in, we are starting with, you know, $100, $60, $10, $80, and $100. That is what we had when we got paid, and I stuffed my cash envelopes. If you have not seen that, go and check that out. Alright, so we're going to get our envelope. We're going to make sure that everything is lined up correctly. And then let's get our calculator just to see. Alright, groceries, we spent $23. Gas, we spent $20. Out to eat, we did $10. Fun money, we did $25 and $15, so that is $40. Cushion, we did $30 and $15, so that's $45. And then sinking funds, we did $97, and doctor bills, $30 plus 97 is 127. All right, you guys, so let's see how much we are supposed to have. All right, when we spend $23, it's $77 we have left. Gas, we spent $20, so that is $40 left. Out to eat was $10, that should be $0. Fun money, we spent $40, so that should be $40. Cushion is $45, so that is going to be $55 left. And then sinking funds, we just gotta flip over and see what our total is, which was $868. All right, so that's 868 minus 127, $741. All right, you guys, so cushion and sinking fund, that is going to be the total. Now we're just going to make sure that our cash envelope lines up with our groceries. So for groceries, we should have $77 left. So that's 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77. Gas, we should have $40 left. 20 and 40. Fun money, we should have $40. 20, 30, and 40. And then out to eat, we should have no money, which we do not. All right, you guys, so that is our check-in, our week 3 of our check-in. I hope y'all enjoy this. Let me know down below what y'all think of it. Let me know if y'all do any videos like this, anything and everything. If you want to tell me, I will be more than likely to go and check y'all's channel out. But I will see you guys later. Hopefully y'all will have a great weekend. Bye.